Hey guys, we're going to do a quick video right now. I'm going to show you guys how to make some raspberry huckleberry jelly. We had a bumper crop of raspberries this year, as well as the huckleberries are off the charts this year in Idaho, which is the state fruit. So let's get started. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey. At the end of the video, I'll take a picture of the recipe and post that, and you guys can screenshot that for your own records. But I'll walk you through it. Really easy to do. This is going to be a high acid food, so we don't have to do the pressure canning. We can just water bath can it. Now, Ball recommends that you water bath can for 10 minutes just to make sure that you get that really good hot seal on that jar, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the hot pack method, where we have the boiling jam with the pectin in it and pour it into a hot jar, put the lid on, and you can simply take that and turn it upside down and let it cool, and it'll seal the jar. But we're going to make sure that it seals really good, and we're going to water bath can it for 10 minutes. We're going to start right now by adding 2 cups of raspberries, and you can double or triple the recipe however you want to do it, but it's going to be a lot of sugar. 2 cups of raspberries and 2 cups of huckleberries. All right. We're putting these berries in here. We're adding a few more. I was a little short. I'm going to add those things in here. We are using our blender to blend it. Not that I don't mind a few whole huckleberries in here. And then 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1 whole pack of MCP pectin right now. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to add 7 cups of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar.
That's a lot of sugar. 2 cups of raspberries, 2 cups of huckleberries. Actually, I put about 2.5 cups in just for good measure. Bring this whole thing to a boil. Okay, so we're bringing the fruit and the pectin and the lemon juice to a boil. And you're going to boil it until you can't stop the bubbles from forming anymore. 7 cups of sugar.
Okay, don't hang on.
6. Hey!
Hey,
You're slopping it on the sides.
honey. I'm trying to record and
6.
trying to mix. No, that was 7.
No, that was not 7.
You watched the video. Rewind the video.
That was 6.
That was 7, Scott. I'm not kidding
That was
you.
not 7.
Check the video.
Okay.
Let's pause it. And you can go back and look.
Alright, so all the recipes call for 7.5 cups of sugar, and it is just so sweet. So we're going to stop at 7 cups. We're going to bring this to another boil. Make sure it's all really well dissolved in there. Okay, after you add the sugar, you're going to bring it to a boil, and you're going to boil it for about 4 minutes. Okay guys, it's that easy. Jam is so easy. Make sure you leave yourself a 1/2 inch of head space in there. Wipe off that rim. Make sure that rim is clean. Lids are nice. Oops, that was a reused one. Nice and hot. Oh yeah. Finger tight. Into the water bath canner it goes. Stay right there. Okay. Rinse, repeat. Alright guys, we're going to water bath can that for 10 minutes, and then those jars will stay they say up to a year on the shelf. We've had jelly and jams last 2, 3, 4 years, no problem. The seals are still good. This is what a double recipe will get you, about 13 pints worth. We did some 1/2 pints so we can give away to people. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the subscribe and leave us a comment. And we'll see you guys on the next video of Hidden Valley Homestead.